The BLACK+DECKER 4-slice crisp and bake air fry toaster oven is a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance that combines the functions of a toaster oven and an air fryer. This product is designed and manufactured by the well-established brand BLACK+DECKER, known for its quality and reliability. One of the standout features of this toaster oven is its sleek stainless steel design, which adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen. With dimensions of 16.86 D into 9.07 W into 11.6 H, it has a compact footprint that fits well in smaller spaces without compromising on functionality. The programmable feature of this toaster oven allows users to easily set the desired cooking time and temperature, ensuring precise and consistent results. The knob control interface makes it simple and intuitive to operate. The air fry function of this product is a game changer, as it enables users to enjoy crispy and delicious food with significantly less oil compared to traditional frying methods.